Now calls are mounting for urgent repairs on a section of the Eastern Morant Bay Road that leads to the transportation center in St. Thomas. Residents say the worsening conditions have made daily travel unsafe for motorists and commuters. President of the Eastern Taxi Association, Kirk Brown, is calling on the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation to address the issue.
This is already so dangerous. Can cost life and property.
Yeah.
And it is so sad that we constantly highlighting it and we are still here.
Looking at
nothing has been done.
Yeah.
Come on now, man. I think something needs to be done.
Mr. Brown believes the damaged road is an emergency.
We within the transport sector, including the government JTC bus, they normally come right here and turn and drive right here and turn. No, it is because of this ditch. It is difficult for the driver to maneuver the bus right here, so they have to be turning right in the intersection there that is also dangerous.